Alright, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, I am Cassie. What's up, and welcome to my channel. So as you guys can tell, I went ahead and started out my base products on, so I'll link them down below what I used, but I just went ahead and did this because I went out to eat for breakfast, and I just kept this on and was like, I'm going to film when I get home. So we're just going to go ahead and jump into the eye look. We're going to be using the Morphe by Jeffree Star palette right here. I actually really love this palette. It's so dang good. I love it so much. Like every time I do a look, I want to use this. So this is what we're using. I'm going to use this Royal Ling Nickel, I don't know what they call them, Moda Pro brushes, BMX-420. It's a detail brush, so it's very detailed. I am going to go into the color Nate, which is this green color right here. We're just going to do like a green look today. I'm feeling green, so let's do it. Don't really know fully what we're going to go for, but I'm going to start packing this into my crease, just building up the color, rounding it out, not worrying too much about the blend, but just really packing that color in. So feeling super green, I'm going to go into this other one right here, the same brand, Royal Ling Nickel brush. This is a crease brush. I'm not going to say all the weird numbers because they're just like pretty weird and over dramatic. So we're just going to use the crease brush, and we're going to go into the color Wake and Bake, which is right here. This one's like a very pretty green. So gonna be honest, I have seen this kind of green in a palette before, but I really haven't seen this kind of green. It's not too neon. It's just like a green. It's kind of really good. I really like it. It looks really good. So this one's really powdery. So I'm taking that and I'm gonna start using it to diffuse and blend out the top crease area and rounding it out. Just using this to blend very well. Alright, so we have that blended out. I'm going to go back into that first brush and same first color and just start packing that into the crease and blending it as I pack in. I really want that other green to show more. And of course, as we blended, it kind of went away. So just doing it again and going a little bit higher up with it. Alright, so now going into that same brush and color and just kind of putting it under the eyes while we have this color on it. Alright, so I'm going to go into this brush right here. This is the Shape brush, part of the Royal Ling Nickel collection. I'm going to go in with the color Self-Made, which is right here. Don't know why, but I'm feeling like I'm going to go into pink, so I'm going to use it to kind of blend into that green. Alright, so now I'm going to take this flat brush, part of the same collection. This is the Smudger brush right here, so just a flat brush. I'm going to go into the color Drive Through, which is just this kind of, it's just a green color. It's like a shimmery green. Kind of looks like it has different reflex of like, maybe like a goldeny pink in it. Ooh, yeah, that's got a lot of fallout. I don't know if you guys can even see that. It looks very thick, which is fine. A lot of glitter shades do that, so I'm taking it and I'm going to spray my brush a little bit, and I'm going to start laying this all over the lid. I'm just picking it up a little bit on the finger to lay it down and get a little bit more shimmer to it. So I'm going to go in with this pencil brush right here. This is the Crown C513 brush. We're going to go into that silver color, and that is the color Custom Rims, a really pretty name. Always wanted to use this silver. So I'm just going to pop it like in the inner corner area. Oh, that's really pretty. So I'm actually going to pop it on the inner and outer corner. Just going to give it like a different kind of look, but not pulling it too much in right there. And before I do the other eye, I realized I did want to add another shade into the crease, and I'm not sure if that's going to take away the silver, so I'm not going to waste my time. So I'm going to go into that first brush where we're using that pencil-y brush, and I'm going to go into the color Hi Dude, which is that brown color. Just taking that very lightly and smoking it into the crease a little bit to add some like shape to it. Just a little bit, but not too much. So yes, it did take it away. So I'm going to go back in both sides of the eye and add that silver because it looks really, really pretty like that. Alright, so I'm just going to wipe off that brush and we're going to go into the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Skin Frost in the color shade Regina George right here. So it's this pink. And I'm just going to pick it up and put it on my brow bone and in my inner corner. Okay, so I'm not really liking that. I've used this shade before and didn't like it, but I thought I'd give it a try again. And no, but I'm going to take this brush right here. This is part of the Makeup Molly Doll 10 collection Prepping Perfector brush. I'm going to see how it looks as like a highlighter, see if I like it again. If not, we're going to go into something different. So I'm going to switch into the Artist Couture Diamond Highlighter right here. This is Diamond Glow Powder in Purple Dream. So I'm going to open this up. It's just basically a powder. And I'm going to use that on the brow bone, inner corner, cheeks, face, all that. Alright, so I'm taking this Jeffree Star Velour liquid lipstick, and I'm actually going to be using this as liquid lipstick, but I'm going to use it as eyeliner. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and draw some winged liner. Alright, so I'm back, did the other eye off camera, and I went ahead off camera and used the e.l.f. No Budge Retractable Black Eyeliner right here and put it in my waterline. I'm going to go in with the CoverGirl Exhibitionist Mascara and just put this on my top and bottom lashes. Alright, so for the last step, I'm just going to go in with that same liquid lipstick and put that on my lips. Alright, so that is a completed look. It's very dark, very kind of like a vampy style look, but not really. But I really love using liquid lipsticks as eyeliner and then matching it with the lipstick. That looks so nice. This lipstick color is so beautiful. I really love how this turned out. So anyways, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and let me know down below in the comments what other kind of videos you'd like to see me film.